Welcome. Let's start a new course called Statistics. In this course, we plan to cover 16 specific chapters. The chapters are Measures of Central Tendency, Measures of Dispersion, Moments, Skewness, Kurtosis, Curve Fitting and Methods of Least Square, Correlation, Regression, Interpolation, Theory of Probability, and also we have theoretical distributions like binomial, Poisson and normal, sampling theory, estimation and test of significance, analysis of variance, time series, index number, vital statistics, and last, statistical quality control. We will follow 3 books during our course. Firstly, let's talk about Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics by S.C. Gupta and V.K. Kapoor. This is a very heavy book. As you can see, it's also a thick book. This has in-depth knowledge about every aspect of statistics. This is a very old book and it cost nearly around 500 to 550 rupees. Okay, this is our go-to book. Whenever we'll have any kind of problem or whenever we need to clarify any concept, we will refer to this book. Secondly, we will talk about Statistical Methods by N.G. Das. This is a combined edition. It has volume 1 and volume 2 together in this single book. It is also a very nice book. It has lots of examples so that you can practice as much as you can, and it has a price of near about 500 to 550, same as S.C. Gupta and V.K. Kapoor. Lastly, let's talk about Statistical Tools and Techniques by Giri Banerjee. It is also a very nice book from the perspective of exam. So this book contains a few examples which are very important and which are given continuously in exam papers. So if you are studying this course for the sake of exam, this book becomes very important. The price of this book is near about 400 rupees, but you can get it cheaper through online websites, or if you can visit the College Street as well if you stay in Kolkata. The course is suitable for beginners as well as for them who are in the intermediate level. There is something for everyone in this course. That means it is helpful for class 11, class 12 students who are studying statistics or economics. It is also helpful for undergraduate students of BCom, BE Economics or BSc Economics who have statistics as a general subject. So all the best, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos.